Hello everyone, James here. In this video we're going to learn how to use Binance Exchange, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Um, in this video we're going to learn how to register, log in, deposit, withdraw, and how to trade on Binance Exchange. As you can see, we are on Binance.com main page, and there is the pairs that are available. We have BTC, Binance, which is a BNB, which is a Binance Coin, Ethereum, and USDT Tether, and it's typical page from an exchange. When you're on their webpage, make sure you're actually on Binance.com and not some phishing website. Always check. So on top we have a language. You can, if you want to change the language, then you have register, login, news, support, join us again. That's register. Then on the left side we have Launchpad, where it's like the coins that you're launching, you can see, because on Binance you can vote for a coin. Then we have Labs, everything that's happening with Binance, all the innovations that they're doing. Then we have Exchange. So Binance has two types of exchange. Binance has basic and advanced. We're gonna go over both of those trading exchange once we get into trading. But for now, let's jump to register and actually register ourselves. So when you click register, you will get defaulted to this registration page where you put your email, a strong password, referral code. You can put my referral code if you wish, and you need to agree to their user agreement. Make sure to read it, and make sure that once you're satisfied, you can come back and say yes and click register. So once you register yourself to the Binance.com, they will send you an email to verify that that's your email. So once you click on that link, it will take you back like, hey, your account is verified. Now you can log in. So you can pick that you want to log in. Once you do that, it will take you to a login page where you type your email address and all that. Then you have to solve this puzzle. So once you solve the puzzle, you get defaulted to your account, and automatically you get the notification that you need to turn on two-factor authentication. If you don't know what two-factor authentication is, it's a great way to keep your online wallet safe. Any actually account, they offer it with majority banks and exchanges offer that. So make sure you turn it on. So what you can do, you can just you can download the app from Google Store or iTunes. So once you download the app, you can come back to this page. As you can see, there's says download the app and scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, it will give you a number. Then you can plug that number in and turn your two-factor authentication on. Make sure you back up your key, like put it somewhere safe in case you lose your phone, so that way you can recover your two-factor authentication. Otherwise, you have to contact the support, and that will take a while for you to reset your two-factor authentication. So once you do that, then your account is safe and secure, and we can go ahead and start with our deposit first. So for this tutorial, I'm going to deposit some gas, since I have some, and it's really fast to deposit it into Binance. So we go ahead to the deposit page under funds, and we find the coin that we want to deposit, in this case gas. As you can see, there's the address that I need to copy and take that to my wallet and deposit gas to this account. So let's see how long it will take. It's like I said, it's usually it's really fast. So that's my account. As you can see, I have some gas, and I will put that. I'm in my Neo account. So if you don't know what Neo is, please Google it. It's a great coin, been around for a while. So I copied that address. I went back to my wallet, and I put that address in that column, and I put one gas. Make sure that you're sending gas, not Neo. So I say one gas, and I want to send that to my exchange wallet. So once I do that, then I will confirm my transaction, and I will send it out. So let's see how long it will take for it to get there. So it's usually fast with Binance, and as you can see, we can go under funds and check for transaction history. For transaction, once you click on transaction history, you can see that we don't have anything right now. Let's refresh the page and see if we can see anything. As you can see, there's incoming gas. It needs couple confirmation. As soon as that goes through, we will have our gas. You can go over to the exchange and check out the exchange itself and see if we can do some trades. So there's basic and advanced versions. So we're going to go over advanced version first. As you can see, as soon as it starts loading, we default to lend BTC right now. There's the BTC pair on that. On the left side where the rate is, that's all our sellers, and there's all the buyers. In the middle, we have indicators and chart. If you know how to read that, there is minute. You can change the chart by day, minute, hour, whatever you want. Then you can go even in depth. There's your sell wall. There's all your buy wall. The sell or buy wall really doesn't mean much. It's just kind of it's out there in the market, like, hey, this is how many people want to sell and this is how many people want to buy. However, when the price moves up or moves down, people change their mind. So down below we have a limit order, market order, and stop limit as far as buy goes, and same thing for the sell side. The buying, you can just pick the price and the amount you want. You can do like 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of the whatever amount of BTC you have, and then you just click buy. And the same thing you can do as far as sell goes. So it's really easy. So as far as the market order goes, if you want to buy it right away, you can do market order. I believe you have to pay higher fees as when comes down to market order. And limit orders are like stop limit, or the buy and sell goes like, let's say if you want to buy something, if it goes up 5% and you want to buy it, so you don't want to miss out on a run, you can do a stop limit buy order. And the same thing with the sell. Like, let's say, hey, if something goes down by this amount, I just sell my order. So that way, like, it prevents you from losing everything you have. There's a you can do your own research on this. It's really interesting how people use the stop order limits. I never use it myself, so I don't know much about it because I don't believe in using stop orders. So as far as fees goes, you can use Binance Coin in order to pay for the exchange fees, and it's way cheaper than using your actual coin. It's a smart way to actually just buy Binance Coin and use that for your fees. There's also a search box. You can search coins by name if you want. It's whatever pair that's available on Binance. You can just search it, click on it, and it will give you the overview of what's going on with the coin. And that is that Binance. No, that's BNT. That's not Binance Coin. So on the right side, you get trade history, like, hey, this altcoin being sold for this much money. And you can also filter coins by price or by percentage change. You can also change filter it by volume. Okay, if it's up or down. Then you can also change the pairs if you want to do Ethereum or BNB, which is Binance Coin, and all the pairs that are available for that. And you also have USDT Tether, which is also available at Binance. So let's go and do a trade, and we're gonna trade our gas, and hopefully it's there by now. As you can see, it's already arrived, so we can go ahead and do a trade. Yeah, it's already been confirmed, so we're good to go. We can just go and on a shopping spree. So let's go sell our Binance, our gas coin, for something else, and see if we can buy maybe Neo. That would be a good trade. So we're gonna sell. Well, I'm actually at gas right now, gas BTC. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell my gas. I want to sell it right away. I don't want to wait for it because I want to show you how you do all this. So I'm going to do a limit order. Because I don't want to wait, I can just go find a buyer and click at this price and put the amount of coin I want to sell and click, like in this case 100%, and click sell, and my order will get executed right away since there was a buyer out there. So this is a good, keep this in mind whenever like the coin is moving too fast or coming down too fast. This is a great way to you can just sell and buy your coin right away. um, that way it's not goes to the market, to the orders and just hanging there, and your order doesn't get executed and the coin drops or the coin goes up so high, so you don't want to lose. So just remember that when it comes to trading. So now that we are done with selling our coins, we can just go and buy something. So we have Neo right now and we want to buy it. However, we don't want to buy it right now because it's expensive. We want to buy it at cheaper price. So what we can do, we can just go. Actually, let's change to advanced, just so we know what advanced looks like. So as you can see, advanced is more advanced, and there's your chart, there's your orders, and there is your buy, sell orders, and your market orders, and it also tells us like what's going on, like about our own orders, like your order, your open orders, your trade history, and all that. And same thing with indicators. Like as far as chart goes, you can add more indicators. If you know a lot about indicators, you can change it by different time, and it's the same thing. So it's a more professional one. Again, it's more if you're a really advanced investor, this one is really good one. So one more thing I want to mention, that as far as the coin goes, this is different. The coins are drop down menu. You just click on it, and all the coins will pop up. Uh, as you can see, like it's the same pairs, but it looks differently. So don't get confused when you trade the advanced version one. That's how you get the coins. So in this case, we're gonna find Neo, and we want to buy some Neo. So since we're on that coin page, as you can see, that's the trade history of this coin, and you have your buy, your sell, and you have the low point, the high point. However, we don't want to buy it at this price right now. It's kind of like expensive in my view. So we're gonna find a cheaper point. Like let's say, yeah, that's a good place like to buy it. That was the high, that was the low. So we want to buy it somewhere at the bottom right there, so we can profit. So we will just click that price and come down here in the buy orders and put our price. So that was the price that we chose, and we will put like, hey, we wanna place our 100% of our portfolio toward this purchase. As you can see, so it does it automatically, so you don't have to do it. And we want to just click buy. Once we click buy, we'll go to the market, and it will be waiting there until it hits our price. If it doesn't hit our price, well, we still have our BTC, but if it does, it's good because we got it at way cheaper price than it was before. So that was it about as far as the trading goes. We can go to a withdraw page and see how the withdrawal works. You can go under funds and click withdraw, and there's all the coins that are available. You find the coins that you want to withdraw. In this case, Neo. We don't have any right now because we haven't bought it yet. So you put the address, you put the amount you want to send out, and you click send. Then they will send you email. You have to put your two-factor authentication. After you're done with that, they will send you email. You confirm the email, and that's it. So that was it as far as Binance Exchange goes. We learned how to register, how to log in, deposit, withdraw, and how to trade like a professional. If you have any questions and concerns, please ask. I would love to answer those for you. But for now, bye, and I will see you later.